to do a song, it's a brand new song, and we'll see if you like it. Walking down Union Avenue, got my guitar in hands, I'm singing songs I never knew. Now the tears are running down my cheeks as I'm walking through these flooded streets, carrying this dream alone. Running down Detroit Avenue, guitar in hands, chasing dreams that we knew. Now the tears are running down my cheeks as I'm walking through these flooded streets, carrying this dream alone. And I don't go back home no more, don't chase those dreams alone. And I don't go back home no more, don't chase those dreams alone. Walking down Union Avenue, chasing dreams, the only dreams we knew. Now the tears are running down my cheeks as I'm walking through these flooded streets, carrying this dream alone. And I don't go back home no more, don't chase those dreams alone. And I don't go back home no more, don't chase those dreams alone. Now I'm walking down the street, it really don't matter that much to me. Moving back the other way, never had that much to say. Running down Detroit Avenue, memories old and new. Now the tears are running down my cheeks as I'm walking through these flooded streets, carrying this dream alone. And I don't go back home no more, don't chase those dreams alone. And I don't go back home no more, don't chase those dreams alone. And I don't go back home no more, don't chase those dreams alone. And I don't go back home no more, don't chase those dreams alone. New song. I don't know if you liked it, I don't know if you're listening, but if you are, I hope you enjoyed it.